Hi, this video will teach you the simple techniques you can apply in Excel to make killer pivot tables. Before we go on, let's think about why pivot tables are so important. It's because a pivot table is a very powerful tool for creating analysis you could use in your activity. Using a pivot table also help you group and summarize data, update and formatting it quickly, and make data analysis easy, including slices and timelines. It's neat to note here that our table information is not statistically significant. What we want to do is create a pivot table and answer the following question. For each brand, how much sales were produced in every period? So we would start off with creating Excel table. It means that we identify a range of cells on a worksheet as a table, which gives an additional features and functionality, such as modifying a style, adding rows and columns, and others. In order to do this, we click somewhere within the range and click on the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Tables command, Table. In the dialog window, we check the range A to D20 and include the headers. Okay, now we have our table. The following step is creating a pivot table. We again click somewhere within the range and click on the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Tables, Pivot Table command. The dialog box appears and we have to decide where pivot table to be placed. If we choose Existing worksheet, we have to select the cell we would like to place the table in. Let's create our pivot table in a separate tab. So we choose New Worksheet, and all we got to do is click OK. A new tab appears, and on the right hand we have got the pane Pivot Table Fields. Now this pane has got two sections. The top section contains all columns of our table, and also we've got a scroll bar. So we can scroll up and down. The second section contains four areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. Now, our question was, for each brand, what is the total sales? So we are going to drag brand field down into row section. Now notice that happened on this left hand side. We've currently got an empty box at the moment, but as soon as we drag brand fields down and release, it becomes fields with every single brand we've got. Then we do same to the department field. Then let's drag the data field into the column sections. The next step is, for every single brand and department, we want to calculate the total sales. So we drag sales field into values section. And now we can see the sum of the all cells. And that is, we've created our pivot table. We've got a complete listing of the brands and departments, got a complete calculation of our sales, and we've got a grand total. Now, with this video, you have got some basic information about pivot table, and you are able to create it quickly and effectively. It will be easy for you to carry out this after watching our video. Don't forget to our channel. Thank you for watching.